Welcome back. Today we are diving into the top 5 absolute best retro mechanical keyboards with hot swap switches you can get right now. Let's count them down. Number 5, the Womier VK75 Wired Mechanical Keyboard Retro Pink Custom Hot-swappable Keyboard for PC Computer Laptop. This item has sold over 4,708 times with a 4.7 star rating. Now at 52% off, just $353.09. Number 4, the Minor Alice 40% Keyboard Costom Wired Hotswap QMK VIAL Mini Retro Mechanical Keyboard Satellite Switch Office Gaming Accessories. This item has sold over 4,485 times with a 4.8 star rating. Now at 50% off, just $515.02. Number 3, the Retro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard Trimode HMX Customized Switch Hotswap Office Gaming Keyboard Accessory Custom HMX Axis. This item has sold over 4,059 times with a 4.6 star rating. Now at 50% off, just $452. Number 2, the AJAZZ AF84 Wireless BT Portable Keyboard Retro Punk Typewriter Mechanical Keyboard Wireless BT Dual Mode Office Keyboard. This item has sold over 3,304 times with a 5-star rating. Now at 52% off, just $264.28. And finally, our top pick at number 1, the EWEADN Typewriter Gaming Keyboard, 104 keys, Retro Punk Round Keycaps, Blue Backlight, USB wired, for Windows PC/laptop. This item has sold over 3,025 times with a 4.6 star rating. Now at 50% off, just $171.11. Check the links in the description box to lock in these discounted prices. Don't forget to like and subscribe.